جی میں کوئی 40 سال سے صحافت میں ہوں اور بیسیکلی تو اکرام ہوتی سے ظاہر ہے میں مردان کا رہنے والا ہوں، لیکن میں زیادہ تر پنجاب میں رہا ہوں، اس میں لاہور اور اسلام آباد، تو یہ زیادہ عرصہ میں نے یہاں گزارا ہے صحافت میں۔ تو اس کے علاوہ کوئی یہ ہے کہ میں انگریزی اخبار میں لکھتا رہا ہوں، اردو اخباروں میں لکھتا رہا ہوں، ڈان، دا نیوز، فرنٹیئر پوسٹ، پاکستان ٹائمز۔ اس کے علاوہ اب یہ پہلا میرا تجربہ جو ہو رہا ہے یہ 92 ٹی وی کے ساتھ ہو رہا ہے، یہ تقریباً 4 سال سے یہاں پہ ہوں، تو سمجھیے کہ میں ایٹ دا ٹوائلائٹ آف مائی کریئر ہوں۔ نو نک نیم، پیپل جسٹ کال می ہوتی اور خان، دیٹس واٹ اٹ از۔ Very bad at attaining success. I start my day going to walk, then coming back and having breakfast and preparing for the office. My inspiration in life is a person who is dead. He was my mentor, Sher Ali Bacha. He was a peasant leader in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. He was Secretary General of Pakhtunkhwa Milli Awami Party when he died. And he was a lawyer. He never practiced law. I think in Pakistan, no person read more books than him. And nobody went to jail more than he did. And it was in prison that we met. And he became my mentor. And he actually taught me how to read books, which books, and what should be the inferences from the books, and how to listen to lectures and deliver lectures, and write, and be a journalist. جرنلزم میں آپ کو یہ جو ہے کہ تھوڑے بہت مشہور ہو جاتے ہیں، تھوڑے بہت پیسے مل جاتے ہیں، لیکن اگر ایسا آدمی ہو جو صرف پروفیشنل ہو اور اس کے کوئی پولیٹیکل گولز بھی ہوں تو اس کے لیے جرنلزم جو ہے سوٹ کرتا ہے، لیکن اس کو پیسے وہ نہیں ملیں گے جو دوسرے پروفیشنز میں مل سکتے ہیں۔ اس کو جرنلزم میں جیل بھی جانا پڑے گا، جیسے میں گیا ہوں، 4.5 سال میں جیل میں رہا ہوں مسلسل۔ یہ نواز شریف صاحب نے ٹرم کوائن کی ہے اور انہوں نے یہ فوج کو کہا ہے یا جرنیلوں کو کہا ہے، تو اس ٹرم میں وہ در حقیقت یہ بتانا چاہتے ہیں کہ کوئی اوپر سے کنٹرول کر رہا ہے اس ملک کو۔ تو اگر نواز شریف اوپر سے کنٹرول کرنے والوں کو برا سمجھتے ہیں تو پہلے تو انہی کے ساتھ مل کر ان کا کریئر بنا، پھر وہ تھوڑے سے باغی ہو گئے، ان کی بغاوت سے عوام کو فائدہ پہنچنا چاہیے تھا جو اب تک تو نہیں پہنچا۔ Pervez Musharraf is a career man who lost his face but collected a lot of wealth. The other one?
Sheikh Rashid Ahmed.
Sheikh Rashid Ahmed is nobody in politics, nobody in business, nobody in public arena, but he has been developed into something big.
Bilawal Bhutto.
Bilawal Bhutto is a budding politician. I have been listening to what he has been saying at the international fora, especially the electronic media. He is extempore. He has a lot of treasure in political science, economics, history, and politicking. And I think he has a career ahead if he tries to play his card carefully.
Maulana Fazlur Rahman.
Maulana Fazlur Rahman has a wealth of political acumen and money, which he gathered. He actually, his father made some political and other wealth for him, and he is enjoying it. A journalist is either a professional person or not. There are two kinds of journalists. In Pakistan, in Lahore, Peshawar, Islamabad, I've seen journalists, a lot of them just accidental journalists. They just entered this field and actually they never became professional. The professional journalists, they had to, I worked with so many professional journalists. There were more than 10 of them in Peshawar, Lahore and Islamabad. They didn't enjoy life. They just were wed to the profession, and whatever they did was for the profession. They died as professionals with boots on, and I think they had a miserable life. Both of them are not finance people. Public finance is too big for these two gentlemen. Both of them are actually clever people. They can sell the policies that prove failure. But Pakistan is yet to have a good finance minister who can take this economy into future. But presently, I think Dar did better than Tareem. NAB is not an institution actually. It is a gang produced by General Musharraf, who said, we are creating a structure which will nab people. Its name would be NAB, National Accountability Bureau. Now, NAB lacks all the three capacities which an accountability institution should have. And that is prosecution, monitoring, and analysis of corruption. I don't like any of them. Leak videos are used everywhere on earth. So this is an instrument of politics. I don't watch TV. It would be hilarious. I think this economy is already slowing down, and with a mini budget, it will crash. Vegetable, of course. Sunset. I don't watch TV. I don't think he has any of the likable aspects in life. Facebook. Book. My hidden talent is criticism, nothing else.
Interesting.
Yes, there is a breaking news. This economy is going to crash, but after the crash, there will be heads rolling and Pakistan would be into deeper crisis.